Hi everybody, today we are going to be presenting our green business plan and we are the representative of SMK Damansara Utama, Selangor. Environmental issue in Malaysia is concerning because we generate 37,000 metric tons of plastics every day and we got to convert this waste into a product.
So we build a partnership with Changes Makers Limited and this is our app for SDGs.
Partnership for the goals, Zambi Mate is the founder of JJ Makers Limited.
And she is producing eco-friendly papers.
So the main goal of this company is to solve waste pollution by recycling plastics. Secondly is to provide job opportunities for skilled and unskilled youth in Kenya. So these are the additional information regarding partnership.
Non-profit, people can generate income by selling waste to us.
Our lowest price bricks can be used to build houses for the homeless.
Decent work, open job opportunities to many Malaysians and also provide lessons for all age including you.
Quality education, so 10% of our profits will be placed into a fund to help students and teenagers in need of money.
This is our logo, Plus2 Brick. Advantages of Plus2 Brick in construction is that we have a lot of colors of bricks and our brick is also very clean.
Plastic is famous in nature.
It also has a very high compression strength
And can withstand high temperature.
This is where we can get the plastics from.
So the bricks we produce are by mixing plastic waste with sand, is then heated and compressed into a brick. The bricks we sell bricks depending on their thickness and color.
Next.
Industry analysis, we focus mainly on building and construction industries.
As a brick in the market will break the monopoly of clay and cement bricks.
Hence lower down the market price. Consumer would be developers and individual house builder. One of our business strategies is creating a specific website for Plus2 Brick, create a delivery team and also make sure our production is constant. Next. This is our vision statement.
Plastic are known to be extinct in the coming decade.
Semi-auto to provide job opportunities rather than relying on 100% machine work.
This is our registration under CDB.
This is our website.
But this is an example of our model house using Plus2 Brick. But that's all from us now.
Thanks for watching.
I hope all of you act for nature.